Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rewrite the Stars on drums using an easy method. First, let's simplify the main groove to its core elements. We will focus on a steady kick and snare pattern, keeping the hi-hat consistent. This approach allows you to quickly grasp the song's feel without getting bogged down by intricate details. Remember, consistency is more important than speed at this stage. Let's break down the basic beat. Your kick drum will hit on beat 1 and beat 3, providing a strong pulse. The snare drum comes in on beat 2 and beat 4, creating that classic backbeat feel. For the hi-hat, aim for a consistent eighth note pattern, opening it slightly on the and of beat 4 for a subtle lift. Practice this loop until it feels natural and smooth. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying this lesson and finding it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Drumming can be quite a workout, so staying hydrated is key. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your water cold during practice. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's add some simple fills to make it more interesting. Try a basic one-measure fill using the snare and tom drums at the end of every 4 or 8 bars. Focus on dynamics, play a bit softer during the verses, and build up your intensity for the choruses. This contrast adds emotion to your drumming. Remember to always return smoothly to your main groove after each fill.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.